This episode explores how subtle nonverbal cues shape trust and safety during everyday disagreements. A veteran couples therapist shares real cases, showing how eye contact, posture, and packing steer outcomes. Researchers outline a home protocol, pause, label emotions, and invite collaborative problem solving in real time. Interviews reveal that calm tonal shifts and mirroring can turn conflicts into cooperative conversations. Viewers leave with a practical 5-minute practice to try tonight, a quick check-in and mutual plan.